Hoping. We know a lot of people are going to be getting out on these roads between the rounds of winter weather. All those last-minute shoppers, are you done with your shopping?
I got mine done because I knew this was coming.
I bet Lisa Benson doesn't have her shopping done.
Lisa, yeah, she's got a lot to do this morning for sure.
What's happening, Lisa?
You know me so well, Lindsay. You are so right. Last-minute shoppers. I'm one of them. And take a look. The snow is coming, and they're ready. All these accessories, gloves, hats, scarves, of course, are very popular items under the Christmas tree. I'm joined now live with a last-minute shopper, Mrs. Dallahan. Talk to me about last-minute shopping. Why are you here so late? And tell me what you're looking for.
Well, I'm here early to begin with, early in the morning, but I'm looking for some extra Christmas items. I have my sons coming in from out of town. One is from Germany in the Air Force, so my entire family is going to be here this year, and it's the first time in 5 years that they've all been here. So I've got some little last-minute things to kind of tie up.
And we're live here right now at Kohl's, and this year is the first year all the stores are open 24 hours around the clock until 6 o'clock on Christmas Eve. How big of a convenience is that for you as a shopper?
Oh, it's a major convenience. I work 5 days a week, so not being able to get to go shopping with all the crowd, this is wonderful, so I can get in and get out and hopefully get out before the ice storm hits.
Awesome. Thank you, Kathy, so much for your time, and good luck on your shopping for Christmas. And again, she's not alone. A lot of people wait to the last minute and take advantage of Super Saturday. And again, the store is open around the clock until Christmas Eve to convenience those last-minute shoppers, and of course, a whole lot of accessories to pick from. Reporting live, Lisa Benson, 41 Action News.
Thank you, Lisa. Get to shopping, girl. You got a couple days left. And